Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you hidden items in VIP room. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to enter the VIP room in Dress to Impress, and then I'm going to show you the hidden items. The first item is in this area. You can go to this area and then you can go to this flower card. Okay, I'm going to click on this like necklaces, but it's not necklaces. Okay, and some of you maybe do not notice this item. Okay, and I'm going to change the color to show you guys. Oops, sorry. Okay, this is how the necklace looks like, the flower necklace. Okay, and the second one is in this area as well, same with the corset. You just need to go to this mannequin and then you can click on the earring, and then you will get this beautiful earring. Wait, I'm going to zoom in to show you. Oops, sorry, I picked the wrong item. Wait guys, I'm going to click on the earring. Okay, this one. All right, and then I'm going to show you the star earring. Okay, this one. And then you will be able to change the color if you want. I'm just going to change it to black. Okay guys, and those are the hidden items in VIP room on Dress to Impress. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.